back here on Bryan's 67 Imperial. So last time, we replaced the Pertronics, put a new one in, bypassed our ballast resistor, all that, and then we began breaking up at, you know, a little bit off idle. I'd say probably about 2,000 RPM, you know, right where you'd be tipping in to accelerate or cruising down the road. But I noticed, look at this end play. The distributor. So I ordered us a Reman OEM distributor. So we're gonna give that a try here first. So here is a beautiful restored, I guess remanufactured, you could call it, OEM distributor from Autoline. They remanufacture these in Canada. They've done quite a few distributors. They've done quite a few carbs too. Very, very good people. If you call up there directly, it's a lot smaller operation than you would think, but definitely going to see how this baby works. All right, so I've got our distributor pulled, and it is a factory distributor, but it looks like it's been reband. A little AutoZone special reman here. So, anyway, let's see what we got. All right, so our replacement distributor's in. I haven't changed the cap yet because it did come with the cap. So I will be changing that here momentarily. Still have the points in the new distributor. And I'm gonna take our jumper out and hook up our ballast resistor again, and then we're gonna see what we got. Up and running. Seems pretty happy. Happy and snappy. Up and running, all timed. Got the AC on. I want to make sure it's not going to die with the air on and start doing stupid things like it used to. So, see, sure runs nice. All right, air's on. She's been running a while. Let's go for a test drive. Nope. There it did it. Just like it always does. So on the video, you heard the pop, little pop, and she shut off. And I sat here about 2 minutes with everything off. Then I hear the pop again, hit the key, fired right up, everything's fine. There's got to be a faulty circuit breaker or something that does not like the AC. Is there? I just put the air back on again. And now she's operating fine. So drony. Can't wait till Bryan gets the muffler on this thing. 'Cause holy moly! She's obnoxious! running it with the air on, and she's getting noticeably goofy. So I'm trying to see where might there be a breaker that would kill the whole car. Because everything in the fuse block is a fuse, like it should be. So we checked the book, and the book has breakers for headlights and something else, but neither one of them has anything to do with the air. So I'm really confused. Here's our two breakers on the firewall. I'm going to do a little experiment. So I tested the two breakers under the hood. Now mind you, we're in the car with the air on high or running. Everything seems peachy keen. Anyway, I tested the breakers, and they were really, one of them just, it looked a little rough. Let's just put it that way when you get the multimeter out. Like, the amperage that it would take to trip it is a lot lower than